I'm probably gonna wait for price to at least get the bottom. Look like there's liquidity down there. Like just how many pips would I say? It looks like there's liquidity 7 pips away. You can see on the climb up. Probably.
I think it's gonna continue to keep going down personally.
Yeah.
I think price.
Yeah,
I'm gonna buy price.
I would trade that, but I don't want my account to be yanked away from me.
I think price is going to come up soon. I think it is. Just because I think an hour from now it's going to come up and then it's going to come back down, obviously. But that's just my where do I go for that?
I'm literally dumped.
Right? We are back. That was gay. You guys, we're back. We're in a trade right now. You can see right here. Price is out of the 20% deviation, plus a hit liquidity grab just here. We're expecting price honestly just to come back to the upside, at least touch the middle here, or just go to the upside of the 20% and then take it down. So we're just gonna hold it, see what happens. Price is looking very nice, very beautiful, bullish. I don't like the bullish at the start of the time because this is within the first minute of the 5-minute candle. Don't like that. The fact that price is pushing up a bit more, that it's looking good. So we're probably gonna put this in the mines. We're gonna see what happens. It's looking very beautiful right now. Let's check the new 4-hour time frame. That is looking absolutely beautiful. The rejection right here, as well as the push up. It's looking really fast, really rapid, and it just wants to push up more. Doing pretty good now. Now we just have to understand what's going to happen. So like price can do multiple things in these areas, so we just have to be careful. So price is entering the 50% retracement area. It's also soon to be entering the 50% right here. So we're just going to be waiting, guys, waiting patiently, and just see what happens. We are going on the upside. We have actually closed our stop loss way closer now. So we're in 2.5. We cut that bitch loss. So we cut down the stop loss, lengthened the take profit, and we're just gonna see where it goes, guys. We're actually going for like a $500 take profit at this moment. We're risking originally $125, but now we shortened it enough to risk only $31. Cutting losses sounds and is so beautiful. And the only problem with having a short stop loss is when price does this, takes here, but still in the area of your stop loss, and it comes back up. So my stop loss would be taken out and this trade would be invalidated. But as for the trade, if I would have just kept my full stop loss, I would have had it and it would have hit my take profit. That's like the only problem. The risk of price just hitting your stop loss is more higher, but it's also you're not losing that much. And if that's the case as well, on top of that, then price still looks like a buy, so to speak. Then you can easily, right? What you can easily do is price invalidates you here. Right, this is what you do. Price comes down a bit more, boom, boom, down a bit more here, boom, boom. Looks like a good area to enter in. Then you just enter in a trade right here, stop loss down here, and now you essentially have more room, and you also have the best spot before price comes up. But right now, I think price is looking like it's going to push up. It's giving some bullish momentum. Obviously, I'm a bullish person right here, bullish bias right now, and you can see the disruption in the downward trend. And that's why I think price is going to keep going down. I'm not lying. This is risky. Because look right here. Price came down, you know, bit of a congestion, push down again, up, down, really healthy downtrend. But right now, price has just like said, fuck you. And it's continued to push up and break structure. So we got in at the right time. Now we just need to manage the trade really well so that we get a good amount of profit, so to speak, guys. Because we're not trying to lose this. But if we lose this, we lose it and we just move on fly. Right now, this is looking really good. We're actually in the retracement of a retracement, so to speak, because if we go to the daily price right here, we're in a retracement, so price should be looking to come back down at the end of the day. 4-hour time frame, price is coming down as well, but this is just a downward trend and we're in the retracement of that. So at least coming up to here, maybe possibly taking liquidity, switching, so to speak, as well, or just rejecting halfway and coming down. We're gonna hold on to this, just watch our trade, see how it goes. We may be content with just our 1 at 3 because 1 at 3 should do us some good. But yeah, we'll just see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. We may just target the highs as well. That will probably give us a 1 of 4. You know, 1 of 4, keep us content like that. And yeah, we'll just see what happens. Anyway, I'll catch you guys when price starts acting up or starts, you know, doing some stupid shit. But yeah, this is how the trade is currently doing right now. It's doing really well. It's pushing to the upside. We can't be too excited because we've always been fucking let down. And also, you guys can hear that person in the background. That is just a trader, a friend of mine. You could say he is sleeping. So yeah, it may react heavily at the daily open price, but we want New York just to push through everything and go to the upside. That will be absolutely beautiful. But we just have to see what happens and how price reacts. And yeah, I think this is like our $500 trade, like I just said, guys. And Everything's looking pretty smooth. There was a bit of consolidation here. That move down to the downside, on the downside, was really weird. I'm not gonna lie. That move down right here to the downside was really weird, as it didn't look like it was meant to happen, but it happened. So it was a bit out of the ordinary. And that almost took me out of my trade, because I was thinking if price continued to come down till the end of the 5-minute candle, I may just take out, because this just looks like it could be a wipeout candle or some shit. I'm making that up, but I just think it looked like it was gonna take me out. So that happened. Anyway, congested a little bit, broke through to the top side, and it broke through the 50% retracement level from here to here, I'm pretty sure. And now this is the 50% retracement level from the huge supply push. So we're just gonna see what happens here, and hopefully it breaks through and breaks through the daily open, and we can just ride this to the top. But overall, we are a sell bias. We're just buying up to the sell bias, to buy down, sell down, I mean. So that's what we're looking for, guys. It's really good today. I swear I've just been taking L after L after L after L, and it's been driving me nuts. I'm good now. I'm at peace. You know, we're doing good, guys, and we're just gonna check out what happens. But right now, it's looking really well. We have shortened our stop loss, so in the end, we are not losing anything, so to speak. We're barely losing like $30 instead of 125, which is really good. And another thing on top of that, guys, I'm not checking my account, because if I look how much money it is and price goes all the way down, it'll mentally fuck me up. So I need to stay on the charts. Only when I'm bringing up the stop loss is when I bring it up. But right now it's looking all clean, all beautiful. I'm just gonna see what happens, guys. Okay, guys, price right now is looking a bit iffy. Obviously, it's not iffy, but it's a bit deadly right now. We're going into New York. We're doing pretty well in this trade. We're gonna hold this because price can do some wonderful things, or it can just reject this area. This is what I'm talking about, guys, right here. This area is where price can either push through and like do this up like that, or push through and just keep going up, or just reject it like that, which we really hope price obviously goes to the upside a bit more, because we are wanting to take a sell, just not at the moment. You know, we still think price is going to go down, but we first think price is going to go up, but we want prices to break through first instead of doing this. That's why as soon as New York opened, sort of thing, price moved a bit more with a bit more energy as the New York buyers hopping in. But yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. This is the perfect place to sell, so to speak, but we still want price to push up. Essentially, that's what we're looking for, guys. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna actually put something like that, and if we are to lose this, we are so to lose this, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, we either expect a 1 to 4 to happen, 40 pips right here, or possibly even more, but we just have to see how price be acting, honestly. But right now I have my take profit at 40 pips. If price looks like it wants to break through, we are going to look for that. But yeah, we're just gonna wait, guys. Pre-New York just hit, so now we're just gonna wait to see what price really does. Price looking like price is coming down, guys. I'm not too sure what to do in this situation. I want to still have the possibility that price can push to the upside, so we're gonna hold it. We're gonna wait for price to see what happens when it comes to this area. If it chooses to, 2 more minutes till price does whatever here. But yeah, huge push down. It is very understandable for price to do this, because, you know, New York session, people came in heavy, but you know, we just want price to kind of keep pushing up. So guys, right now we can see how it clearly bounced off the 50% retracement and it's pushing to the upside. And we can clearly see that this is actually not looking too well right here, as it's early in the 5-minute time frame. Right now it is 10:17, and price is moving up too fast, too soon, as for the next 3 minutes price can just push down, which is the only problem that we're looking at. But right now it looks like it just has so much bullish holding it that it's just gonna push up, which is a very good thing. But we may actually raise our stop loss up soon, depending on how price be acting. We're probably gonna raise our stop loss up here, get it out of being in drawdown, so to speak. So we're gonna get our stop loss out of being in drawdown, so to speak, just to fix that up, because price has now retested this area, and I don't think price can go really any lower than 27840. As you can see, price is just flying. I'm expecting price just to push through and hit some sort of, probably the other side of 20% deviation, how this is acting. But price could also just come back down, or after it hits daily open, which is more the respectable way, or just taking liquidity, which we're also looking for. So we're just gonna see what happens, guys. And yeah, well guys, we got absolutely fucked. Like fucked in the ass, bro. Bro, this is what happened. I didn't believe it was gonna happen to me, right? I'll tell you guys how the story went, right? I'll tell you guys how the story went. So it started off me chilling, right? I was just chilling, guys. I was just vibing, right? And I was like, Let me just quickly check the chart, see what happens. Boom, fucking crashes, takes out every fucking thing in history, bro. But for this, yeah, that was crazy. That was crazy. Guys, it just put me at losing $26. I'm gonna take that because honestly, on some real shit, I would have lost all my money. I would have probably would have registered till down here. But I'm happy it registered there. So good days, we're happy. All right, we're happy. But that's just crazy what happened. It's crazy. We're probably gonna take another buy here, down here, but for the time being, price is just gonna do its thing. Or we're gonna just take a sell up here. No, it's sell up here. I'm back finally just to give you an overall statement of what has happened. I should have lost $250. Instead, I lost $70-something. So that's saving more than half, 50% of it. And I can tell you guys here, I took another trade here, but I took out early here, and then prices shot up. And I'm just believing that price is gonna hit my stop loss. So once it does hit my stop loss, I saved my money. So that's really just how I'm thinking right now, guys. And yeah, we took an L today. It is what it is. And I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.